You color na. Oh, go. Look down, please. Look down. Look down. Look down, please. Look down. Come on. Kanina, nakaganito to. So, sabi niya ganun, what the? Tapos binaligtad ko. Okay. Sabi niya ganyan. Pagkakita niya. O, next. Go, Sarin, go! Go, Sarin, go! Careful, please. Oh, you spot number 1 and then you color again. Come on, like this. Oh, like this. Come on. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Go. Like this. Ayusin natin. Oh, up, down, go. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Go, go, go. Go, Sophia. Ang hirap. Sabi. Oh, go, go, go. Ikaw, you alone. Go, go. Tago niya na po yung mga gunting. Oh, that's the big M. Very good. Yes. Hindi pa niya kaya na magsulat. So, tracing lang talaga muna. Pero at least kaya na niya yung ganyan kaliit. Very good, Sarin. Ay, iikot mo hanggang dun sa dulo. Yan, oh. O, yun. Dulo, ha? O, hanggang dun sa dulo.
Ganda.
O, go. Dalawang kamay. Dalawang kamay ni Wayne. Pag ganyan. O.
Nalapit
Go.
ako.
O, yan na, oh. O, hanggang dun pa. Sa dulo pa.
Yes, man.
Go, go.
Yes, yes, man.
1 1
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
17. Huh? What is this again? Come on, louder, louder. What is this? Butterfly. This one? B. And this one? Snail. Okay, very good. Oh, yeah. Oh, what is this, Sarin? Sarin, what is this first? Tomato. This one? Pear. This one? Apple. Oh, next is broccoli. Oh, next is cherry. And next is mango. Very good, Sarin. Ah, sige. Nalagay po niya yung mga iba dito. Okay, very good siya. Oh, di ba? Oh, go, go, go. Go. Sabi ko sa kanya, nakakapagod mag-puzzle. Oh, ikaw maglagay. Oh, ikaw. Go. Put it them.